Lionfish, also known as terroir, are a venomous species of fish that are native to the Indo-Pacific region. No, not these guys. This guy. They are known for their striking appearance, with their colorful stripes and long, flowing fins. While they may be beautiful to look at, many people wonder if they are dangerous. The short answer is yes, lionfish can be dangerous. Their venomous spines can cause painful stings that can lead to swelling, redness, and even more severe symptoms in some cases. However, it is important to note that lionfish are not typically aggressive towards humans and will only use their spines in self-defense. One of the most dangerous features of lionfish is their venomous spines. The dorsal, anal, and pelvic fins of lionfish are lined with sharp spines that contain venom. When threatened, lionfish can use these spines to deliver a painful and potentially lethal sting. The venom can cause swelling, infection, and even temporary paralysis. In severe cases, it can lead to cardiac arrest and death. Lionfish are an invasive species that have become a major threat to native fish populations and reef ecosystems in the Atlantic Ocean and Caribbean Sea. They are aggressive hunters that feed on crustaceans, shrimp, snapper, and grouper, which are important food sources for native marine life. If you ever come in contact with a lionfish, don't touch it and avoid it at all costs. Like, subscribe, and comment what wildlife creature you would like to see next.